Our next model on BrassTrains.com is item number 058939. It is a PGE C6301 diesel engine, road number 701/702 in the two-tone green scheme. This comes to us from Overland Models and is built in Korea by Aojin. It was part of a 1997 run of 27. This is number 21. It says operating directional lights and excellent in-cab detail, and we'll show you a demonstration of how it runs. This model is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number is 058939.